Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial you are going to learn about the basics of VLOOKUP function. So let's get started. So I have created an hypothetical table here, table 1, which contains 3 columns, names, age and salary. So the information of 5 people is given here, their ages and their respective salaries. Okay, first of all try to understand the problem which we are going to solve here. Now you see this is table 2. I want to write any of the name of the 5 people which are in the table 1, and I want their respective age and salary should come here in front of C here in this table 2. So let's get started how we can solve this problem with the help of VLOOKUP formula. Fine. So first of all let me align this left side so that I can use formula better. Okay. Now in this cell I have written C value and here I will type the formula. So the formula always starts with equal to VLOOKUP, exactly the way I have written here in the yellow ribbon. So you can write equal to VLOOKUP. So first of all concentrate on the definition given here. Looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table. Okay, this is the table and this is the leftmost column. Okay, so it will look for the value of the variables present in the left column. So the C is present in the leftmost column here in this table 1, and it will check its information. Then returns a value in the same row, and then returns the value in the same row. That means it will provide me the value of C, that is age and salary in the same row, and for a column you specify. Here it is written the column you specify. Fine. So the column which we will specify, it will provide me the value. Now you see age is in second column and the salary is in third column. If I will specify second column, it will provide me, this formula will provide me the age, and if I will specify the third column, it will provide me the salary of the respective person. Okay, now let's get started. Start the braces. Now you can see the syntax, which is exactly I have written here in this yellow ribbon. Lookup value. This is my lookup value. I want to check the information of C. So I will click here. E3 cell will be selected. Okay. So this is the lookup value. Then comma. Table array. You can see table array here. And I have written table array. This is my table array, table 1. I will select from here starting from names, and you see the table array is selected because I want to check information in this table 1. Then comma column index number. Now you see if I want to find the age, then which column number I will specify. Definitely it will be 2 because names are in the first, ages are in the second column. So then comma, now range lookup. That means whether I want any approximate match or exact match. So I don't want any approximation, I want exact information. For that either I will write false, or otherwise you can simply type 0. Both will provide the same binary values, and then close the braces. Now this formula is ready for its execution, and you can type the enter. You can see age of C is 24, which is in this table exactly. Now let us do it for, repeat this process for salary. Again equal to VLOOKUP, tab selected. Now lookup value. Again I want to check the information of C. So I will click for C here, not for 24. Then comma table array. Table will be same. This one selected from the names, and here comma column index number. Now in this case, column index number will be 3 because salary is in third column here. So I will press 3 and then comma and then 0 or false for exact match. Now it's also ready. You can see the salary of C is 18,500. Now whatever you type here in this cell, suppose I type D, I will get the dynamic values of the respective person. E, A, B. Whatever you type here, you will get their respective values with the help of VLOOKUP formula. So that was all about the introduction of VLOOKUP formula. I hope you liked the video, and in next tutorial we will learn how to make this VLOOKUP formula dynamic so that we don't need to change the indexes again and again. So thanks for watching the video and have a nice day.